Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change your channel picture in your YouTube. So for that, all you have to do is go to YouTube, click on YouTube, right down on Google. And in here, when you go to YouTube, click on the right upper corner where you can see your current picture. Just click on it and go here in your channel. As you click on your channel, you will see a lot of options. You have to click on the right upper corner. There's a customized channel. Click on customized channel. You will be sent to YouTube Creator Studio. In here, you will see multiple options. There's a channel layout, there's branding, there's basic info. So you want to click on branding. And in here, you will see that the profile picture of your YouTube channel, you can change it from here. You're just going to click on change. And you will see a lot of different options. You're just going to click on any one. So we're going to click on this one and automatically it will give you a circle. Just accept it and boom, we have changed the YouTube channel name. If you want to change the upper, what you call thumbnail of your channel, just not the thumbnail, upper brand, or you can say the which appears on the cross top of your channel, you want to change it, just upload a new image. Click in here, make sure the size is right, and it will ask you for some correction. You can either drag and drop if you want to it and just click on done. And when you're done, it will always appear in here. And if you want to change the watermark, you can also upload it from here. So that's very simple on changing the profile picture, the banner image, or the video watermark if you want to. So that's very simple. If you think you like this video, please finally you have to publish it so it can be updated. You will see it later on. So let it update it, and finally when it's updated, it's being updated. You can see it in being searched. So when it's right search, you can see it has been changed. So finally, this video is done. And if you think you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.